My name's Anna Arietta. I live with my mum and dad. My dad's side of the family is all from Argentina, so all my dad's side of the family live in Argentina. So I live here with my mum, my dad, and my granddad also lives in Forthcourt. Black Lives Matter means to me recognising and raising awareness for the injustice and discrimination that black people face every day in our society, and also fighting against that injustice. We wanted to do our part, and no matter how kind of small that was, we wanted to get people involved, and we wanted to bring a community of people together who were allies. And it was difficult at the time because, you know, there was the pandemic, and you know, there were some people in our town, I'm not going to lie about it, there's some people in our town that were quite against doing it, but I think all of those things just made it even more important to do it, and it gave us that drive and that motivation to go, well, we're going to do it anyway. In terms of my journey to activism, I think I'm still on the journey, and I'm still navigating, you know, things like social media and things at the moment. I really try to make change where I can make change, and do things through my work, like I said, through my daily life, through my day-to-day, standing up against racism day to day, and do those little things. I try to tend to come away from just being kind of performative with my activism, posting on Instagram and all of those kind of things that can come across sometimes that nothing's happening, you know. So yeah, I'm still on that journey. I've definitely not like made it to being the activist that I want to be, but I'm still exploring it and seeing what works for me and how I kind of fit into that space as well. As you grow up, I don't know, you learn things about yourself, and you become more self-aware, and I would say anything that you can put in place to become more self-aware, to learn more about what you think is right and wrong, to learn more about your morals and your values, even if it means cutting people out of your life, and you know, things like that. I think it's really important to just know who you are, learn about yourself, be authentic, and through there will come, you know, the real activism and your real beliefs and your real kind of drive to be anti-racist.